Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Smart Band 7 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to check for the system updates on this smart band. Before we start, your smart band needs to be paired with a phone via the Mi Fitness application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the Mi Fitness application on the phone that is paired with our smart band. In the app, you should see the health page. Now tap on the device icon, and this should open the device page for your Xiaomi Smart Band 7 Pro. Now scroll down, and at the bottom you should see the option called Update. Tap on it, and this will bring you to the update menu, and the app will check if there's any updates available. As you can see, I have one available right now, but sometimes you may see the message that your smart band is up to date and you won't have anything right here. But as you can see, we have one available right now, so we can tap on the download button and wait until it's downloading. Be aware that if you want to update your smart band, make sure that the battery level on your smart band is at least above 30%, because if the battery dies during the updating process, it might damage your device. So make sure your battery is charged before you update. And now it's syncing to the device, so let's wait. Okay, at this point the update is complete. It took a while, to be honest. I didn't expect it to take such a long time, but we're done now. And you can tap on continue, and you can check again for the update if you want. As you can see, the current version is up to date. Okay, so if you plan to update your watch, or rather smart band, make sure to be patient, and also that your battery is charged, because it took a while. So it could be if the battery is not charged, the device could die and maybe break something during the installation of the update. Okay, and that's how you check for the system updates on this smart band. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.